The 3-engine Chevrolet Silverado EV ZR2 concept will produce 1,100 horsepower in the Mint 400. The Chevrolet Silverado EV ZR2, an off-road racing truck concept that will make its first appearance in the famed race. What is the Chevrolet Silverado EV ZR2 concept? It would be the automaker's version of an electric pickup truck that has been assembled for 5 months. That's not very surprising considering that about 98% of the parts used are GM manufactured parts. The truck was assembled in the same way as the Colorado ZR2 and Silverado ZR2, and it shares many common components with them as well. This includes prototype Multimatic adaptive spool valve continuously adaptive shock absorbers that provide 13 inches of front and rear wheel travel, locking differentials and underbody skid protection, powered by 3 electric motors. The EV ZR2 is capable of unleashing a total of 1,100 horsepower. If you thought this concept was nothing more than a show of force, think again. Chevy will send engineers to travel during the race to see if any of the upgrades made to this truck can be used on production cars, parts, and accessories. You can also consider the Chevrolet Silverado EV ZR2 as a warm-up of sorts for the 2026 Silverado EV Trail Boss, the first off-road variant of an electric vehicle. It's scheduled to be unveiled later this summer and will have a factory-installed liftgate, 18-inch wheels, 35-inch off-road tires, and a number of other upgrades to be unveiled later.